Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today is gonna be not a special video, but a cool video. I just recently got a notification about a Prelude, a 5th gen Prelude that just dropped at the Junkyard. It is currently 8:27. I think they just opened 27 minutes ago. I'm gonna go and see what they got in the Prelude. But it's an automatic Prelude with the front bumper missing. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, we made it to the pick and pull with 5 minutes to spare. It looks like there's already people lining up. Well, there's already people coming. But yeah, so hopefully once it opens at 9, I'm gonna go and check, see what they got, and I'll update you guys and I'll show you guys what they got. All right, so we made it to the Junkyard. There was like a line of people, but I see the Prelude. I hope there's nobody around it. It's pretty much stock, I think. But let's go, let's give it a walk around. It's right there, they're starting to bring it in. Let's see what they got. Oh, damn. Stock. Hold on. Put my stuff here. This car had 184,000 miles. OEM seats. I mean, OEM mats. Oh, shit. Oh, do I even take this? Oh, shit. Okay, door. Oh, I don't know about that, buddy. Is this like... No. No, that's regular. That's heavy. Man, I was really hoping there'd be something good, but I know a lot of people are gonna need these parts, but I don't even need any of these parts. I think I need this brake line right here. This looks pretty new. Need that line, the vacuum line. Okay, so it has a clean fender. It has a fender liner. I could take the fender liner. My car is missing a fender liner. Is it worth it to take this fender liner? Oh, I know what I need. I need a stiffener. That engine stiffener right here. Those bolts, I need those bolts. So let's go back to interior. I was hoping for some clear tail lights, you know. So this car was black and it was repainted, or I could take the window actuator, whatever it's called. Speakers are there. Anyone wants this? Oh, I don't need it. Oh, it has some lights here. I don't need anything here, honestly. Okay, so we are trying to get this engine stiffener. I don't have it at home. Well, I have it, but I don't have these bolts. I don't know where to put them. But we're gonna try to take them out. All right, so I was able to pull the engine stiffener out right there. I just needed the bolts. I actually don't need the part. I just need the bolts. I think the bolts are at my house somewhere. But it's been so long since I did the manual swap that I think I might have forgotten where I put them. So I'm here to take those bolts. Okay, the car is on. I turned it on. But successful run from the junk, not really. I did pick up the brake booster vacuum hose, and this is my old one. I guess it was starting to rip. So I got a new one. It's not for some reason, but I guess that the H22A4 for the engine stiffener, there's different mounting bolts. So I was only actually able to get 2 bolts to go in. I guess a M2F4 and H23A don't have the same mounting points as a H22A4 on the engine stiffener. That was a good run from the junk. Make sure to support me. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you can. More videos to come. We will see you guys in the next video. Sour out.